Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel Tether account, full guide step by step clearly. To begin the cancellation process for your Tether account, first, log into your Tether account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, navigate to the account settings or profile section. Look for an option labeled Account Management or Subscription. Select the Cancel Account or Delete Account option from the available menu. You may be prompted with information regarding the implications of canceling your account. Read through the terms and conditions carefully to understand any potential fees or consequences. If you agree to the terms, proceed by clicking on the confirmation button to initiate the cancellation. You might be asked to verify your identity through two-factor authentication. Follow the instructions provided to complete the verification process. Once verified, confirm your decision to cancel your Tether account. After confirming, you should receive a notification indicating that your account cancellation is in progress. Keep an eye on your registered email for a final confirmation regarding the cancellation. In case you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Tether's customer support for assistance. Make sure to check for any remaining balance in your account before the cancellation is finalized. If you have a balance, withdraw or transfer it as necessary before proceeding. After cancellation, your access to the account will be revoked, and your data may be deleted as per Tether's policies. Be sure to review any communications from Tether regarding the status of your account cancellation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.